This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Cindy Hurlbert. Welcome to Retirement Paradise. Check out this nicely updated 2-bedroom, 2-bath home with a 2-car garage. This property boasts new hurricane-proof windows installed in 2022, a new privacy fence in 2021, a new AC system in 2021, and the roof was replaced in 2019. The kitchen and baths have also been remodeled. You have beautiful granite counters and pass-through in the kitchen along with 2 pantries for extra storage. All of the kitchen appliances are only 1 year old, and the washer and dryer are just 4 months old. The master bedroom has a stunning ensuite bathroom and features a large walk-in closet. The Florida room at the rear is spacious with an open view of the huge fenced-in backyard. The extra-large utility room has space for a hobby area with tons of extra storage in both the laundry room and garage. Sun City Center is a great location and has all the recreation facilities you could ask for. There is a state-of-the-art fitness center, tennis, pickleball, golf, library, wood shop, weaving studio, ceramics, pottery, a stained glass studio, and much more. There are also both indoor and outdoor community pools and hot tubs, lawn bowling, walking trails, dog parks, etc. Easy access to I-75 and all that the Florida Gulf Coast has to offer. Come retire in style and live the good life. For more information, review the details below or contact Cindy Hurlbert at 813-455-2030.